Let's use the TI-Nspire to solve this system of equations. Now, when I'm solving a system of equations with the calculator, I'm actually doing intersections. So I want to start by graphing both of these. I'm going to choose a graph. Let me arrow down to B and then hit enter. And it's ready for me to put in my first function, which is a negative x squared. So a little negative next to the enter, variable x, and I'm going to use my squared key next to the 4. So negative x squared plus 5, so plus 5. And then if I arrow down, I'm ready for my second function, but my second function is not in the right form. It needs to have the f of x or the y by itself on one side. So I just need to take the second equation and subtract that x from both sides. Once I do that, I get the equation in the proper form, which is y is equal to negative x plus 3. Okay, so let's do that. So I've got my f of x or my y, so that's going to be negative x plus 3, and then enter to get that one in there. Okay, so I've got both of my graphs here. I can see that I've got two different points of intersection. These are our two solutions. We're going to have the calculator find this using intersections. So we're going to go right into the menu, and then we want to analyze this graph, which is number 6. And then we want an intersection, which is number 4, enter, and it's asking me, see in that lower left-hand corner, it says, what is your lower bound? So I can move my boundary here so that I'm close to that intersection. Now I'm on my computer, so I'm using my mouse to do this, but if you've got your handheld, you're going to use the touchpad here to move that boundary to where you want it, and then you're going to click the middle to set that. But on mine, I'm just going to click my mouse. I just want to be somewhere to the left of that first intersection point. And then it changes it to the upper bound. So for the upper bound, I am again just going to move that so that I'm to the right. Or on your handheld, you're going to just slide this using the touchpad so that you're on the right, and then click the middle button. Okay, so I've got that, and it gave me my solution there of, let me move this out of the way, of negative 1, 4. But I've got one more solution point, and I can see it there as the second intersection. So let's find that second intersection. So we're going to go back to menu. We want to analyze the graph, which is number 6. We want the intersection, which is number 4. It's again prompting me for that lower bound. I'm going to go ahead and slide over so that I'm just to the left of that intersection point, and then I'm going to click that center button or click my mouse on my computer. Then I'm going to move over to the right to get that upper bound, just so that I'm to the right of that intersection somewhere. And then I'm going to click to select, and here it is, my second intersection point of 2, 1. You got this. I'll see you in the next video.